Different measurements that you can use while making your popcorn. Let me show you the different cups, the different measurements you can use while making your popcorn. The measurements for corn, the measurements for oil, the measurements for sugar, the measurements for milk flavor, the measurements for chocolate. Stick to this video and I will show you the different cups to use while making your popcorn. Yes, if this is the first time you are coming across my video, please don't forget to like, comment and share. Stick to us, follow for more information about popcorn. You can throw in your questions in the comment section about popcorn, how to start popcorn business, and I will explain to you. So coming to this is measuring cup and measuring spoons. I don't know if you have seen it before. Yes, even people that are making cake, this is what they normally use. So in popcorn, it is also applicable. It is applied. You can apply this method, this measuring cups. So this is 1 cup. This is 1 cup. This is the biggest among them. This one is the half cup. The big cup, look at it here. They wrote it 1 cup. I don't know if you can see it very well. They wrote it 1 cup, 250 mils. You understand? Then this is the half cup. They wrote it here, half cup. So anytime that you want to measure, just look for the one they wrote 1 cup, the one they wrote half cup. This is 125 mil. This one is 1/3 cup. This is 83 mil. Then there is another one here. This one here is 1/4 cup. This is 62 mil. Yes, and this is the smallest among them. This is 1/8, 31 mil. Then this is also the spoon. These are the spoons. Yes, these are the spoons. This is half tablespoon, 7.5 mil. This is 5 mil. You understand? So these are the measurements. Then the question now is, how do I measure? Which cup should I use for my corn? Which cup should I use for my oil? Which cup should I use for my sugar, my flavor, and the milk? Okay, let me explain to you. This is 1 cup. If I am popping 1 cup of corn, I will measure out half cup of groundnut oil, 1 cup of corn, half cup of groundnut oil, 1/3 cup of sugar. That is the 83 mil, the one they wrote 83 mils of sugar. Then if you want it more sugary, you can add this and add extra jara. You know now. If you want it to be more sugary, some people like their popcorn to be more sugary. So if you want it that way, 1 cup of corn, half cup of oil, then 1/3 cup of sugar, or you add extra, just a little quantity. Yes, this is what works for me. Every other person has their own method of popping, their own method of measurement. Some will measure 1 cup, they will measure 1/3 cup of oil, and then they will measure half cup of sugar. That's what works for them. Everybody have their own method, but this is what works for me. So if I'm popping 1 cup of corn, I'm adding half cup of groundnut oil. You know, I observe that popcorn needs oil or margarine enough. If you don't add enough oil or margarine to your popcorn, it might get burnt. But when there is enough groundnut oil, I don't know if any of you has observed it, but if you add enough groundnut oil or margarine, it will come out well. Do you understand? So this is what works for me. So if you are popping 1 cup of corn, half cup of groundnut oil, 1/3 cup of sugar, then the flavor, I normally use this 7.5 mil, the spoons, 7.5 mils. We have 5 mil here. You can as well use 5 mil. You can as well use 7.5 mil. It all depends on you. Some even use 25 ml, this small one like this. Some even use it. But me, I want my popcorn to be milky, let the flavor come out. So I normally use 7.5 ml of flavor. You understand? Then if I'm adding chocolate, this spoon has a bigger one, 1 tablespoon. If I'm adding chocolate, if I want to pop chocolate, this is my chocolate. If I want to pop chocolate, I'll use this one. This is 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon. This is 15 ml. 1 cup of corn, half cup of groundnut oil, 1/3 cup of sugar, then 7.5 ml of flavor, and 1 tablespoon of chocolate. This is my chocolate. 1 tablespoon of chocolate, 15 ml, and it will come out very nice, perfectly. So if you are a popcorn vendor, try these cups. Try and use them. Try this method, try this measurement, and it will come out perfectly well. Yes, like sometimes me, my pot is bigger. If I pop only 1 cup, sometimes it doesn't full my pot because my pot is a big one. So I normally pop 1 cup and a level of this. Is not up to 2 cups, but almost 2 cups. So if I add almost 2 cups, then I'll add half cup of oil and 1/8 cup of oil. That is this half cup and 1/8 cup of oil, because I'm adding extra half of this cup. It's more than half of this cup, so that it will full my pot. In case somebody comes and say, madam, I need 1 full pot. So I normally pop 1 cup and a level of this. I don't full it properly. If you full it properly, my popcorn pot will overfull while popping. So I always pop 1 and a level of this. Then I'll add half cup of groundnut oil and 1/3, or you just use this and measure half of this, half of half. Yes. So this is how I use to measure my corn. This is for corn, 1 cup. This is for oil, half cup, and this is for sugar, 1/3, or you add extra jara. It's just a little quantity if you want it to be sugary. Then 7.5 ml of flavor, or 5 ml of flavor, 25 ml of flavor, anyhow you want it. Then if you are adding chocolate, you add 1 tablespoon, that is 15 ml. I hope this video helped someone. Please, when you come across this video, like, comment and share. Don't forget to follow us or subscribe to our channel for more information about popcorn. If you have any question about what I have just teach you, please drop it in the comment section and I will attend to you peacefully and perfectly. Thank you so much.